In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Google Maps history on your mobile device. So if you're trying to find addresses of places that you've previously visited, or if you're trying to find what you've previously searched in Google Maps, then there's a quick and easy way we can do this. So the first thing you need to do is just launch up Google Maps on your phone. And if you click on the search box right at the top here, you're going to see some initial information. Now, this is going to show you all of your recent searches. It doesn't necessarily mean you've visited these places. These are just things that you've typed into your Google Maps. Now you can click on more from recent history right at the bottom here, and this is going to bring up a bigger list of all of your searches. Now another thing we can do is come back out of the recent searches, come back over to the home screen, and if you're logged into your Google account, just click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then click on your timeline from these list of options. Now I currently have the timeline turned off, so it's not going to show me any of my recent activity, but if you do have the timeline turned on, then you can find out a lot more information about the history of your Google Maps. So for example, in these tabs here, you can click on trips, and that's going to show you all of the places that you visited. It's going to show you things like places and cities if we just scroll across these tabs, but you do need to have this feature turned on in order for this to show. So we can go ahead and turn that on now, and that way anything up until now obviously won't be recorded, but anything going forwards, that's now going to record on this timeline here. And the last thing we can do is just come back out of this window, come back over to your profile icon, scroll down to settings and click on this. Scroll all the way down again and you'll see this section called Maps History. Click on this. Then if we scroll down again, you'll see some of your recent search history on Google Maps. Now this is kind of like what I showed you at the beginning, but sometimes you'll find information on here that might not be on that initial search. So it also may be worth just checking through here as well. And that's basically the 3 places that you can find your location history on Google Maps. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.